In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Weebly website. If you're looking to create a professional and visually appealing website quickly and efficiently, you've come to the right place. Weebly is a user-friendly platform that allows you to design websites with ease, even if you don't have any prior web design experience. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to the Square website, which provides a robust set of tools including a free appointment scheduling software and booking app, perfect for businesses that need to manage appointments efficiently. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Square website by entering the URL or searching for it online. Once you're on the main landing page, look for the Sign In option. It should be clearly visible at the top of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one by following the instructions provided on the site. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Square dashboard. The Square dashboard is a centralized hub where you can oversee your business operations effectively. From here, you can manage transactions, track analytics, and ensure everything is running smoothly. But since today we are focusing on building a website with Weebly, we'll navigate over to the Weebly overview section of the site. To do this, you just need to click on the link directing you to Weebly from your Square dashboard. This will take you to your Weebly account overview. Here you'll see various options available for managing your existing websites or creating new ones. If you're new here, the layout can seem overwhelming, but don't worry, Weebly is designed to be intuitive. Next, look for the option to add site. This is where the fun begins. By clicking on add site, you'll start the process of creating your new website. Weebly offers a variety of templates and customization options that will help you tailor your site to fit your specific needs and style. Whether you're creating a portfolio, a personal blog, or a business website, there are templates available to make your site stand out. Spend a little time exploring the different features, play around with color schemes, and experiment with different layouts until you find one that resonates with you. And there you have it. You've just started the journey of building your own website using Weebly. Remember, the key to a successful website is not just in its design, but also in its content and functionality. So feel free to be creative and make use of all the design elements and tools Weebly offers to enhance your online presence. Thank you for watching and happy building.